Hello and welcome or welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Juvia's Place Nubian Earth collection. So if you're interested in seeing what items came inside of this collection, stay tuned. So this new collection that Juvia's Place released is called the Nubian Earth collection. And Juvia's Place describes this collection as follows. An oasis of light in the middle of desert brush and warm golden sands. Rich golds, dusty nudes, and shimmery bronzes in universally flattering shades for all skin tones will leave you looking and feeling absolutely regal. Now this collection consists of an eyeshadow palette with 12 shades, 6 velvety matte lipsticks, and 4 glosses. So let's go ahead and start by taking a look at the eyeshadow palette. The packaging on this collection is just as stunning as all the other releases Juvia's Place has had, and here's an idea of what that looks like. And here are just some of the lippies so you can see that. But let's go ahead and start by taking a look at the eyeshadow palette. Again, here's what the packaging on the palette looks like. And here's the palette outside of the packaging. Absolutely beautiful. And it is a cardboard packaging. And it does contain the little protective coating in the inside there. Now here is what these colors look like. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The colors are just neutral, but they are so stunning. I hope that my camera is picking up how beautiful these really are. So let's go ahead and swatch the shades in this palette. Now the palette does not have the shades listed on it, but I was able to grab them off of Juvia's website. So as I'm swatching them, I'm going to read what they have on their website about each color. And guys, I am so sorry if you hear some noise in the background. As soon as I sat down to film, my neighbor decided to mow his lawn. So I do apologize if you hear any noise at all in the background. But let's go ahead and get started with the swatches. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all 12 shades, and then I will give you the description that Juvia's Place has for each eyeshadow. So the first shade that we have right here is a mix of white and copper shimmer marble. And it's definitely more of a sheer shimmer shade in my opinion, but very, very beautiful. And then we have this here, and it's a shimmer white / silver color. Very, very vibrant. And by the way, every one of these is swatched once except for the matte here, which I did swatch twice. The next shade that we have here is a shimmer soft gold, and then we have this matte light beige nude. We have a shimmer soft rose, and then a shimmer brown. And then on my other arm here, I have the rest of the swatches, and this first one is a shimmer champagne color, and then we have a shimmer soft nude, a matte light brown, which is almost the color of my skin, and then we have a matte cool brown, a shimmer dark brown, and then a matte chocolate brown. These colors are absolutely stunning. And I did swatch this one here, the matte light brown, which is almost the color of my skin. I did swatch that one twice as well. And I'm actually wearing this palette on my eyes today. It performed really, really well. The colors went on beautifully. And I'm actually wearing this color here I put in my crease. This color here I use for more of the top of my eye here and as the base of my shadow on the bottom. And then I went with this color here, which I just stuck my finger in as the middle of my lid. I used this champagne color here as the beginning of my lid, and then I put this brown here on the outer corners over this darker brown here. The palette performed really, really well. There was very little, if any, fallout, and they even layered really well on top of each other. Just a really nice little palette, especially if you're into more neutral looks. Now this little baby retails for $20, which I think is great for the quality that you do get from Juvia's Place. And right now, when I checked before I started filming this video, this palette is sold out on their website, but you can get on their waiting list for when it comes back in. So if you're interested in the palette, I would definitely recommend going over to Juvia's and getting on the waiting list so that you'll know when this beauty comes back in stock. Next in the collection, we have the Velvety matte lipsticks, which are described by Juvia's Place as follows. Velvety matte lipsticks provide a highly pigmented, creamy, and smooth long wear. A soft matte formula infused with hyaluronic acid. Now this lipstick comes in 6 shades, and those 6 shades are Soil, Clay, Sheba, Nubian Sand, Nile, and Morocco. And I will tell you that each and every color is absolutely stunning. I will also tell you that I tried these lipsticks on before I actually read the descriptions, and I did not realize that they were any type of matte formula. When I tell you that they applied smoothly, they were creamy, and I just loved the way they felt. I didn't even have to put a gloss or anything on, and they would have been comfortable to wear all day. I'm gonna go ahead and try these lipsticks on for you. The first one I will try on camera so that you can see how smoothly and effortlessly this lipstick applies. And here's what the packaging for the lipstick looks like. Absolutely stunning. I love the shades of brown and then the gold hardware there in the middle. And then on the top here, it has the J for Juvia's Place. Very, very beautiful. Very simple, but very classy. Now this first color we're going to try on is called Soil, and here's what that looks like. Okay. Look how creamy that applies. It goes on so effortlessly. So here's what that looks like, guys. Absolutely beautiful, and it would definitely be suitable for all skin types, and you can change up the whole look by putting one of their glosses on top of it. I absolutely love the feel of this lipstick. Like, it does not feel matte at all. Just very, very creamy, very, very comfortable, and when I tell you it applied smoothly, it applied very smoothly and effortlessly. Just a really, really nice lipstick. This next color here is called Clay, and Clay is described as a baked terracotta nude. Lovely, lovely color. And I don't think I mentioned that the previous lipstick, Soil, is actually described as a rustic and warm orange. Next up, we have Sheba, and here's what she looks like. Sheba is described as a rich, dark chocolate brown, and here's what it looks like in the tube. Definitely a beautiful color, and I would definitely throw a little bit of a gloss on this just to give it a little bit of shine. The next color we have is called Nubian Sand. And as you can see, Nubian Sand is a little light, but still very pretty. Now what I did with this is I added a lip liner from Juvia's Place, also in the color Cola. That's actually my favorite lip liner. I wear it with everything, and I have multiples of it in my makeup bag, in my purse. It's just absolutely gorgeous and goes with everything. Anyway, Nubian Sand is described as a nude brown, and this would also be very pretty with a gloss on top, one of the 4 glosses that this collection also has. And here's what that looks like inside of the tube. This lipstick here is called Nile. And Nile is described as a nude, soft brown. I think this is a very, very pretty neutral color, and it really goes well with my complexion. And I would definitely use the Cola lip liner along with this as well. And here's what Nile looks like in the tube there. This last color is called Morocco. And Morocco is described as a warm apricot. Just a very pretty color. All of the colors in this collection are gorgeous. And here's what Morocco looks like in the tube. And I will say that all 6 of them went on the same way. They were all smooth. They all went on effortlessly. I know that sometimes you may purchase a product and then different colors may perform differently, but I can tell you that all of these performed the same. There was no difference on the way that they went on the lips. Again, the lipsticks are $15 each, and at last check, they were still available on the website. Last but not least in this collection are the glosses. I'm going to quickly read to you what Juvia's Place has on their website to describe the glosses. Drench your lips with a cascade of light diffusing iridescent shine and bouncy texture gloss. This hydrating glossy consistency hugs your lips in a veil of sheer color and multi-dimensional shimmer, creating the look of an amplified pout. A lip glow for everyday glam shine. There are two different types of glosses in the collection. The first, the reflective glass gloss, says, the reflective glass gloss gives a non-sticky, luscious, high shine finish to the lips, making it appear plumper. Glides on richly glossy and smoothly while providing long wear. So I guess this particular gloss is supposed to make your lips look a little plumper, and this comes in two colors, which is Oasis, a shimmery copper gold, and Mirage, a shimmery peach and gold. The second type of gloss in the collection is called the Lip Reflect, and this is described as the Lip Reflect gloss is a smooth and creamy lip gloss that provides an ultra shine and glow to the lips. It glides on creamy and smoothly to provide a long-lasting, luscious lips. And this comes in two shades as well, which is Nubian Nude, a soft, cool, toned down nude brown, and Moreau, a soft chocolate nude brown. So let's go ahead and try on the glosses real quick. We're going to start with Oasis, which is a reflective glass gloss, the one that makes your lips look plumper. And here's what the packaging looks like. And here's what it looks like outside of the packaging. Absolutely stunning. And this one is the shimmery copper gold. It glides on really nicely and doesn't really feel very sticky. It has a tiny bit of tack, but not enough to be bothersome. What I can tell you about this though, look at the doe foot applicator on there. This thing is huge, very big. But it makes it easier to apply because you get more coverage on the lip as you're putting it on. I really like that. So here's what Oasis looks like. And this could be worn just like this, or you can put it over one of the lipsticks in the collection. Very, very beautiful. This next color here is called Mirage, and Mirage is described as a shimmery peach and gold. And here's what that looks like inside of the packaging. Gorgeous color. Again, feels really good on the lips, and this can be worn by itself or over a lipstick or however you'd like to wear it. Now, I can tell you that these two were the reflective glass gloss that say that they make your lips appear a little bit bigger. I can't say that I feel like it makes my lips appear any bigger than they already were, but I can tell you that I like the way it looks and I like the way that it feels. Very, very pretty glosses. Next up, we have the Lip Reflect glosses, and this one is in Nubian Nude, and the Lip Reflect again is supposed to just provide an ultra shine. Now, it is very shiny. I feel like it went on really well. This one is not sticky at all. I don't feel any kind of tack to this one. I feel like it feels very comfortable, and I would wear this color here just with a lip liner. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this would probably look really great too over that lighter nude lipstick shade that I put on the lip liner with earlier. And here's what that looks like in the packaging. And again, this is the Nubian Nude, and it's described as a soft, cool, toned nude brown. This last lipstick in the collection is called Moreau, and here's what Moreau looks like. This color is absolutely beautiful. This is the color that I had on over the clay lipstick earlier in the video when I did the intro. And here's what this looks like in the packaging. It's just a really gorgeous color. And this, definitely I would wear this alone. It looks like a soft lipstick with a little bit of gloss in it. I absolutely love it. And again, these reflect glosses, no tackiness at all. It feels wonderful on my lips. And the glosses retail for $14 each, and there are 4 of them. So just to recap, The palette is $20, the 6 lipsticks are $15 each, and the 4 glosses are $14 each. However, they did have it where you could purchase the whole collection for $150, and then I believe I used like the code TRENDMOOD and got another 10 or 15% off. So the total price that I paid for this whole collection shipped was $148, and I feel like it was worth every penny. I definitely know this will be something that I would use on a regular basis. Now, I do believe also that the collection was sold out as of right now, but I believe there's a waiting list for that as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, I definitely suggest that you go over to Juvia's website and go ahead and get on that waiting list so they'll notify you when this collection is back in stock. So what are your thoughts on this collection? Do you like the products inside of the Nubian Earth collection? Do you feel like it's worth the money? Is it something that you'll be picking up? Let me know down in the comments below. Well, anyway, guys, that's all that I have to share with you for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.